Well, look at that. Someone back then actually planned ahead.
Organized. Still intact. Boo. Whoever made this knew exactly what was coming.
Tastes like survival, which is a big upgrade from dying.
If this holds, I owe whoever made this my life.
Fire. The difference between surviving and becoming a cautionary tale.
Pre-apocalypse cooking? Never thought I'd miss civilization this much.
Out here, it's not about if something finds you. It's when.
Before this, I was just surviving. Now, I've got a system.
Out here, the prepared don't just survive. They last.
Crazy thing is, this was just one kit. Should have bought more, back when the world still made sense.